the problem of percentage error. We know that percentage error of fx percentage error. Next problem be solving on the topic of percentage error. First time formula we know that if del x upon x into 100 is known as percentage error. Also development. तो परसेंटेज एरर फाइंड करने के पहले फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग किसी वेरिएबल से उसका रिलेटिव एरर फाइंड करते हैं. रिलेटिव एरर फाइंड करने के बाद बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाय 100 we get the percentage error. Now the problem of percentage error noted. The t of oscillations of a simple pendulum. Question: the time t, capital T, the time t of oscillation the time t of oscillation of a simple pendulum of length L is given by t equal to twice by under root L by G. T is equal to twice by under root L by G. Find the percentage error. Percentage error in T corresponding to an error of 2% in the value of L. The given problem, the time t oscillation of a simple pendulum of length L. सिंपल पेंडुलम टाइम पीरियड गिवन है, आपके पास टाइम ऑफ ऑसिलेशन गिवन है, whose length are given by L and a given relation t is equal to twice by under root L upon G. Then find the value of percentage error in T corresponding to the error of 2% in the value of L. Here T में टाइम का परसेंटेज एरर फाइंड करना है आपको, वो भी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू L और करस्पॉन्डिंग टू L. सिंपल पेंडुलम के लेंथ की करस्पॉन्डिंग आपको फाइंड करना है इन टाइम में परसेंटेज एरर. सॉल्यूशन: गिवन दैट t is equal to twice by under L by G. Here first time taking log on both sides, because which are differentiations are easy. And now value of percentage error taking log on both sides. log of t is equal to log of twice y under root L by G by property of logarithms. Log of t is equal to log of 2 plus log of pi plus 1 by 2 log of L by G or in direct log of t equal to log of 2 plus log of pi by property of logarithms plus 1 by 2 log of L minus log of G. Here we find percentage error in t corresponding L, जिसके corresponding आपको परसेंटेज एरर फाइंड करना, उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में बोथ साइड डिफरेंशिएट हुई है. डिफरेंशिएटिंग इट with respect to L, we get 1 upon t dt upon dl is equal to log 2 constant, pi constant or 0, 1 upon 2 log L, 1 by L G. We get 1 upon t into dt upon dl is equal to 1 upon 2 into L. No, but we know that percentage error find by relative error, del t upon small t. Then we know that, but we know that del t upon del L is equal to del dt upon dl, because अभी फार्मूला आपको बताया गया, del y upon del x equal to dy upon dx. y था, x था, dy upon dx. Here del t है, L है, dt upon dx. Then we have 1 upon t into del t upon del L is equal to 1 upon 2 L. Now del t upon t is equal to 1 upon 2 into L, 1 upon 2 into L into del L, 1 upon 2 L into del L. Also, now find multiply by del t upon del t, multiplying by both sides by 100, del L by L into 100 into 1 upon 2, which is known as percentage error in t and percentage error in L, and also percentage error of L is given by 2%, and B is known as percentage error in T is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, or implied that percentage error in T is equal to 1%. That is same conditions. All also.